What science explains how vaccines build immunity? Imagine your body's defense team getting a special training session without risking a real attack. That's essentially what vaccines do to help your immune system stay ready. When you get vaccinated, it introduces tiny parts of a virus or bacteria, called antigens, into your body. These antigens are like a practice target for your immune system. They contain small regions called epitopes that immune cells recognize easily. Your body's first line of defense, the innate immune system, spots these antigens and helps alert the rest of the immune system. Special cells called antigen-presenting cells, like macrophages and dendritic cells, process these antigens and show them on their surfaces using molecules called major histocompatibility complex proteins. This display helps activate specific immune cells. For viral antigens, it activates CD8 T cells, which are like the body's special forces for killing infected cells. For bacterial or parasitic antigens, it activates CD for T cells, which help coordinate the immune response and stimulate B cells to produce antibodies. Vaccines stimulate both parts of the immune system: humoral immunity, which involves B cells making antibodies, and cell-mediated immunity, involving T cells that destroy infected cells. These responses create a memory in your immune system. Memory B and T cells stay in your body long after vaccination, so if you encounter the real pathogen later, your immune system can respond quickly and strongly. Different vaccines use different methods. Some use weakened live pathogens that can replicate just enough to teach your immune system without making you sick. Others use inactivated pathogens or parts of the pathogen, like proteins or genetic instructions. For example, mRNA vaccines deliver a blueprint for a viral protein, prompting your cells to produce it and trigger an immune response. This process of training your immune system through vaccination not only protects you but also helps protect others. When enough people are vaccinated, it reduces the chance of disease spreading, creating herd immunity. Vaccination is a safer way to learn how to fight infections compared to natural infection, which can cause serious illness. So, in simple terms, vaccines activate your immune system by showing it harmless pieces of germs. Your immune cells learn to recognize and remember these pieces, so they can fight the real germs faster and more effectively in the future. This is how science explains the way vaccines build long-lasting immunity.